how to order from the Adidas app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place an order on the Adidas app. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open the Adidas app and sign into your account. So you're going to click on this profile icon at the top right and you should see two options, sign in and get started. Simply click on get started and create an account. After that, simply head over to the home screen by clicking on this icon at the bottom left, and then you're going to select the category that you want to buy. For example, I'm going to click on women over here, and then I'm going to select any shoe for a demonstration purpose. For example, I'm going to go with this one. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select your size, what size you want. For example, I'm going to click on 7.5, and then you're going to click on add to bag. Once you click on add to bag, you should see what you're ordering, and then you should see the option of view bag. Click on it and all the items that you have added to your bag would be over here. If you're satisfied with all of the items, you're going to click on promo code and simply type in any promo code that you have. You can simply click on add promo code to type a code down, or if you have any code already over here, you can simply select any code from here. And then you're going to click on checkout. After that, you'll be redirected to another interface where you're going to type down your credentials. For example, it says Prime eligible product in basket. So you're going to simply click on select shipping method. And then you're going to select what kind of shipping method you want. For example, you want it to deliver to your home, or you want to click and collect, such as ship it to an Adidas store for your choosing, and then you can collect it from there. So you can choose any of that and then simply click on place order, type down your credit card's credentials, and you're good to go. So that is how you can order from Adidas app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.